So far you have seen how to download and install the Jenkins. Now let's make sure all the plugins are installed in the Jenkins. You can go to the any web browser and enter the URL as localhost colon 80 and 80. After entering this URL, so it will ask you a valid username and valid password. So once you log in into the Jenkins, so you will be able to see the home screen like this. So simply you can click on the left side, Manage Jenkins, and under System Configuration, you can click on the Plugins, and on the left side, so we have the 4 tabs or 4 sections. Click on the available plugins, and here you can simply search with the plugin name. So like this, then select the required plugin, and you can click on the install. So this will install the plugin immediately. Say for example, if you want to install the plugin after restarting the Jenkins. So that option is also available. Simply you can click on the down arrow here. So if you select the install after restart, so this plugin will be installed once you restart the Jenkins instance. Now in my case, I have already installed all the 4 required plugins. So if you see the third option, installed plugins. So here I will go to the installed plugins. So here I'll say Node.js. So Node.js plugin is already installed and also it is enabled. So now let's check the Git plugin. So if you see here, so in my case, Git plugin is already installed by default by the Jenkins. So that's the reason you can see this one as the disabled. Now let's see JUnit plugin. So in my case, already JUnit plugin is already available here. That is a second plugin. So let's check the Azure Jenkins plugin. So if you see here, Azure Jenkins plugin also installed in my case. So this one I have installed it manually. This is how you can install the plugins in Jenkins. Now let's configure the plugins. You can go back to the Manage Jenkins and click on Tools. If you scroll down here, you'll be seeing the Git installation. So here you can provide the path to the Git executable, or you can select the Install Automatically checkbox. So this is a bit about the Git installation configuration. So if you scroll down, you will be seeing the Node.js installations. So if you click on this arrow, by clicking on the add Node.js, you can add the multiple versions of the Node.js. Then, so firstly you need to provide the Node.js name, and then you can select the Node.js version. So whatever the version you want, you can select it here. So that's a bit about the Node.js installation. So let's go to the Azure report command line installation. So here you can provide the name for the command line. Then you can select the which version of the Azure report you want to use it. Then here you can provide the commands which you want to execute it as a part of the Azure report generation. Then you can specify where exactly Azure report will be generated here under the tool home. So this is all about the plugin installation and plugin configuration in Jenkins.